Is the child snoring? Does he have open mouth while sleeping? Hi, I'm Dr. Devkumar, consultant ENT Surgeon from Fortis Hiranandani Hospital. Are you concerned that your child sleeps with open mouth? Does he have an interrupted sleep? Well, what if I told you that this is because of a lymphoid tissue named adenoid that sits back of the nose? An adenoid is similar to tonsil but blocks the nasal passage, hence the mouth breathing, hence the snoring. Well, the adenoid also harbors infection and causes runny nose and frequent cold. A simple X-ray, nasopharynx, or a nasal endoscopy in the OPD would confirm the diagnosis. Well, by and large, most of the kids, when put on nasal sprays, do extremely well and the symptoms disappear off. However, a very small subset of children would need a procedure named Endoscopic Coblation Adenoidectomy. A simple, painless, scarless endoscopic coblation-assisted adenoidectomy solves the problem. This kid does not just sleep peacefully post-procedure, but also excels academically and also improves in physical activity. Is your child snoring too? Let's together give them the right to sleep. Thank you.